One big surprise was how important diapers were. My little guy did not like being wet. It made his skin more sensitive and he'd get very fussy. So keeping him dry was really important. Pampers worked really well for us. Their newborn diapers were super absorbent, removing the wetness and locking it away from his skin and keeping him dry for longer, which helped protect his delicate skin. They even had this blue line on the front that would appear when he was wet to let us know that he might be needing a change. Pampers. Unlike ordinary diapers with 2 layers, Pampers have 3 absorbent layers to stay up to 3 times drier. So babies can sleep soundly all night. Wishing you love, sleep, and play. Pampers.